Hello, everybody. Welcome and thank you for being here with me again. So, my topic for today is all about the SMART goals or smarter goals. Why it is important of why it is important to follow SMART goals. So, the importance of SMART goals or goal setting is to set up for success by making goals specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. The SMART method helps push you further, gives you a sense of direction, and helps you organize and reach your goals. So let me just share my screen this time. All right, so I am already in my screen. As you can see here, we have the word SMART. S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for realistic, and T for time bounded. Let me just discuss you this one by one, and I will just give you examples. All right, so what are SMART goals? SMART goals is an acronym that you can use to guide your goal setting. To make sure your goals are clear and reachable, each one should be specific, that is simple, sensible, and significant. Next is measurable. It is meaningful and motivated. Achievable, it is agreed, and attainable. Relevant is reasonable, realistic, and resource-based, result-based. Time-bounded is time-based, time-limited, time-cost limited, timely, and time-sensitive. So now, set goals that are within the reach. Beware of setting goals that someone else has a power over. For example, get the promotion. Depends on who else applies and on the recruiter decision. But get the experience and training that I need to become considered for that promotion is entirely up to you. So let's start with specific. When we talk about specific, your goals should be clear and specific. Answer the 5 whys. We have, what do I want to accomplish? Why is this goal important? Who is involved? Where it is located? Which resources of limits are involved? These are the questions that you really need to answer in doing your goals. It must be specific and it is clear for you. So for example, I will gain the skills and experience necessary to become president of a club on campus so that I can build my leadership skills for my career path. So the statement itself, it really gives us all the information needed, the 5 whys. So why do you need the skills and experiences? Because you want to become a president. Saan? Sa campus. And then, of what purpose that you want to become a president? Because you want to build your leadership skills for your career path. So that is how we write goal in a specific way. Another is measurable. Measurable establish concrete criteria for measuring progress toward the attainment of each goal you set. When you measure your progress, you stay on track, reach your target dates, and experience a sense of achievement that will sustain you on to continued effort required to reach your goal. So you're just going to answer these questions. How much? Ano na ba? Gaano na ba kalayo yung naabot ko? How many achievements? How will I know when it is accomplished already? So these are the questions that you really need to answer when you hear the word measurable. You are now going to measure as to what is really your basis. Na-accomplish ko na ba ito? In what way? And then, what is my basis? What is my criteria? For example, I will make a list of leadership skills I need to work on learning and enhancing this semester. Then I will track my progress. Okay, ang gagawin mo na is track your progress through my participation in softball. So now, you can measure because you are going to identify the number of participation. Criminal Justice Club, and volunteering through the LATS Center. I will check off skills I'll have developed and write descriptions on my resume for these activities. So that is measurable. You can now measure as to the achievable activities. Alright, bakit ko kailangan na ang ganitong leadership skills? Because I need it. In what way? by enhancing my skills. So you can measure if it is already in the workplace. Okay, na-accomplish ko na to. I can be able to handle things and so on. So that is measurable. Next is attainable. Attainable, your goal also needs to be realistic and attainable to be successful. In other words, it should be challenge you, but you still remain possible. Just an example, if you want to get that bunch of of people and then hindi naman siya ganun ka-realistic because these people are meron silang iba't ibang they have their own world. So you're just going to answer these two questions. First is, how can I accomplish these goals? Example, if gusto ko ng 300 students, and then how you are going to accomplish that. That is what I mean by attainable. Next is, how realistic is the goal based on the other constraints such as financial factors. For example, I will search for an internship for next semester by applying to an internship position per week and stop into career plannings, walk-ins next Wednesdays because I don't have any projects due next week. So you cannot achieve this one if meron ka bang ibang projects. So your goal must be achievable, attainable. Nakikita mo, hindi yung gusto mo lang lahat kunin pero hindi mo siya nagagawa because of your busy schedule. So that is how we write our goal, having attainable as our perspectives. Next is relevant. This step is about ensuring that your goal matters to you and that it also aligns with other relevant goals. A relevant goal can answer yes to these questions. Does this seem worthwhile? Is this the right time? Does this match our other efforts needs? Am I the right person to reach these goals? Is it? And then one example of this one is, I want to pursue a career in criminal justice. So I will join criminal justice lab this semester. So that is relevant because you want to what? You want to pursue your career in criminal justice. So you need more experience. You need more idea about criminal justice. So that is relevant. And the last one is timely. Identify a deadline you can focus on. A time-bounded goal will usually answer these questions. When I'm going to finish this one? What can I do 6 months from now? What can I do 6 weeks from now? What can I do today? Example, timely. I will join 2 on-campus clubs organization and volunteer twice a month this semester with the LATS semester, Center for Community Service. So if you are going to join 2 on-campus club organizations, and that is possible. All right, so that ends my presentations. I hope that you learned something new today. And I will just add this term under SMART because before it is SMART, now it is smarter already. We include evaluate and readjust. So thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.